When it comes to classic cars, the Ford Galaxie 500 is an iconic name that has stood the test of time. But while you can still find basic versions of the Galaxie 500 for under $10,000, one particular 1965 model has been transformed into a high-performance Restomod like no other. This isn't just a simple update or a restoration, it's a full rebuild that redefines what a classic muscle car can be. With 3 years of meticulous work under its belt, this Restomod Galaxie is one of the finest examples of what's possible when old-school muscle meets modern technology. Underneath the body, almost everything has been upgraded to deliver performance, style, and comfort in equal measure. The suspension system has been entirely replaced with new arms, ensuring the car handles better than ever before. The high-performance Wilwood brakes are a massive upgrade over the original braking system, providing excellent stopping power. A RideTech air ride system has also been added, lowering the car's stance significantly and giving it that aggressive, almost ground-hugging look. Perhaps one of the most significant changes to this Galaxie is the engine swap. Gone is the original engine, replaced by a 2011 Ford Coyote 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8. This engine is not only powerful but has been custom-built to fit perfectly into the Galaxie's engine bay. Flowtech headers further enhance the engine's performance, and the engine bay is so immaculate, it could almost serve as a dining table. While the exact horsepower numbers are not disclosed, it's clear that this engine brings the Galaxie to life in a way the original never could. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission, allowing for smooth, responsive driving that is sure to impress. The car's bodywork has also undergone a complete overhaul. The brilliant silver finish gives the Galaxie a sleek, modern look, while the custom taillights add a contemporary twist to the classic design. These small but significant changes help marry the old and new, giving the car a refined appearance that respects its history while embracing modern aesthetics. Inside the cabin, the transformation is just as dramatic. Gone are the tired, old materials that were typical of 1960s vehicles. The interior is now wrapped in plush blue leather that feels more like a luxury sedan than a vintage muscle car. The quality of the finish is evident everywhere you look, from the leather seats to the soft touch surfaces throughout the cabin. The car also boasts an aftermarket audio system, allowing drivers to enjoy modern entertainment features while cruising. For comfort, a vintage air climate control setup has been installed, making it possible to enjoy this classic ride year-round without having to suffer through sweltering summers or cold winters. The steering wheel is another standout feature. The special split 3-spoke design adds a contemporary touch, ensuring that the driver feels connected to the car while still enjoying the visual appeal of classic design elements. The entire cabin feels like a blend of old-school charm and modern luxury, offering a unique driving experience that's hard to beat. While details about the car's original mileage are sparse, the true question is how much this Restomod will go for when it eventually crosses the auction block. Mecum estimates that the car could fetch between $175,000 and $200,000, an impressive price for a Galaxie 500 that's been so thoroughly transformed. Given the quality of the rebuild and the level of craftsmanship that has gone into every part of this car, it's no surprise that it's likely to command top dollar from collectors and performance car enthusiasts alike. In the world of Restomods, this Ford Galaxie 500 is a standout example of what's possible when passion, skill, and technology come together. For those looking to own a piece of automotive history that's been expertly reimagined for the modern era, this 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 is the ultimate dream machine.